Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend. Oncoming car today, we've got something truly nostalgic yet incredibly futuristic, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air. That's right, one of the most iconic American classics has returned, and it's not just a car, it's a statement. Get ready for a beautiful blend of retro styling, modern power, and luxury vibes that will have every gearhead talking. Let's dive into what makes this 2026 Bel Air a modern marvel with a classic soul. Starting with design, Chevy has done the unthinkable. They've revived the elegant curves, chrome details, and signature body lines that made the original Bel Air a 1950s legend. The 2026 version proudly carries that DNA but evolves it with sleek LED lighting, 20-inch polished wheels, and an aerodynamic silhouette. It still has that long, graceful stance, but now it cuts through the air with modern efficiency. It's old school cool with a futuristic twist. Dizzy. Under the hood, the 2026 Bel Air doesn't just whisper performance, it roars. Depending on the trim, you're looking at either a turbocharged V6, a powerful V8, or even a hybrid option for those who want performance without sacrificing fuel economy. The power output ranges from a solid 350 to 500 plus horsepower, giving this beauty the brawn to match its looks. And let's not forget the 8-speed automatic transmission and adaptive suspension, smooth, responsive, and absolutely thrilling to drive. Gear running dash. Inside, Chevy made sure this ride isn't just about nostalgia, it's about luxury and technology too. The interior features two-tone leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and a digital instrument cluster that gives you all the info you need, right at your fingertips. There's a 13-inch touchscreen at the center with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and built-in navigation. It's got the charm of a vintage Bel Air but the tech of a modern spaceship. Cell phone sparkles. Now, let's talk safety, because the 2026 Bel Air is not just for cruising in style, but also built to protect. We're talking lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Chevy took the bones of a legend and wrapped them in today's smartest features to give you complete peace of mind on the road. Shield traffic lights. One of the most exciting parts of this revival. Customization. Chevy is offering multiple trim levels, paint schemes, and even retro-inspired interiors so you can build a Bel Air that reflects your style. Whether you're into bold two-tone colors, lowrider vibes, or a performance street machine, this car lets you create your own modern classic. Paint palette fire. And yes, car collectors are already lining up. This is one of those rare moments where past meets present perfectly. The 2026 Bel Air isn't just a car, it's history reborn. So, what do you think? Is this the comeback we've all been waiting for? Would you daily drive this modern masterpiece or keep it as a collector's gem? Let us know in the comments. Speech balloon. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon bell so you never miss an update from Car Trend. We bring you the hottest revivals, modern classics, and all the auto legends reimagined for the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride. Oncoming car sparkles.